Hi guys, I'm Canine Crooner Finn Austin there, and we're going to look at some more D&D items. And these two are the animated Christmas Dog Mania, and it has two dogs that sing a Christmas song. The Christmas Dog Mania is made by D&D in 2013. It features two dogs that move like the Squawkers in the Christmas Duck Mania, animated figure by Jemmy. The first dog sings What Makes You Beautiful, and the second dog sings Deck the Halls, Jingle Bells, and We Wish You a Merry Christmas, and he also barks. They're both really cute. Dancing Dan. And he looks like, yep, and it looks like a duck. It's a duck. And it also looks, this one's all, that one also looks like, that one almost looked like Big Bird for Sesame Street. Dancing Dan is made by Dan D. He's a big yellow duck with pink eyelids with blue rings on the edges and wears a colorful bow tie. He dances back and forth as his cheeks light up, and he sings Disco Duck. Rockin' and rolling Purple People Eater, and he looks like this. The rockin' and rolling Purple Eater is made by Dan D. He's purple and has one eye with veins on it, a unicorn horn, pointy elf-like ears, and pink hair. He wears a black cape and holds a yellow guitar in his hands. He swayed side to side as his mouth moves as he sings the Purple People Eater song. Wanderer Witch. Wanderer Witch. The Wanderer Witch is made by Dan D. She is yellow. She is a yellow witch that wears a black dress and hat with a star on it, a purple bow tie, and an apron with a colorful star and moon on it. She dances while singing a Halloween parody of the Wanderer, or the Wanderer. Boo Bear. And yep, this is Boo Bear, and it looks like a bat. The Boo Bear is made by Dan D. He is a purple Halloween bear with green fangs and an orange mouth and ears. Wears a orange suit with the word boo and a cobweb design on it, a matching cape and a colorful ribbon. He shakes as he sings Trick or Treat Stomp. Trick or Treat Stomp. Charlie the Christmas Frog, and he looks like this, and it looks really vintage too. Charlie the Christmas Frog is made by Main Joy Limited, which is Dandy's other company name. He wears black pants and a red shirt with a dark green pocket that has a golden top stopwatch sticking out of it. He also wears a red and black plaid scarf and a black top hat. He has two buttons. Button which is the select sound. This mode lets you choose what song Charlie the Christmas Frog should play. when his left hand is squeezed. Button 2 is the press here button, which you press to play the desired song. You close to Charlie the Christmas Frog. His nostrils light up. His nostrils lights up as he croaks out Christmas carols, and other sounds play in the background. He's really cute. Talk and squawk toucan. And he looks like this. Yep, if you push his foot, you repeat what you say, and he will say it to you. The talk and squawk toucan is made by Dan-D. He's a red toucan with a colorful beak and blue tail feathers, yellow feet, green wingtips, and the colors on his beak are green, red, yellow, and blue. Press his foot and talk to him, and he'll repeat what you say. Caroler Santa, and he looks like this one. He's holding a book. The Caroler Santa is made by Dan-D. He wears glasses and holds a book that reads Silent Night on the cover with the lyrics to the song inside the book. His cheeks light up as he moves his mouth and sings Silent Night. He's really cute. Chicken Dance Duck. Yep, and it looks like the Chicken Dance chickens. And it has a rubber face. The Chicken Dance Duck is another classic chicken dance item made by Dan-D. He has the Chicken Dance chicken's body with a weird looking duck head. He waddles around and moves his arms as he plays Easter Parade and the chicken dance. He is often mistaken as a chickadee to playing the chicken dance and looking similar to a baby duck. Spinning sledders. Oh, it looks like those. It has a Santa Claus, a snowman, and a sock monkey. The spinning sledders is an assortment of the animated Christmas plush characters made by Dan-D in 2012. Each one sits in a circular sled with a colorful holiday design. Each one spins 360 degrees and sways side to side, and his cheeks light up. The Santa one plays an instrumental version of Jingle Bells. The snowman sings a pop version of Let It Snow. The sock monkey sings Candy Cane Twist, is the version of the Peppermint Twist. Singing and Shaken Bat. And it looks like this. The Singing and Shaken Bat is made by Dan-D. He has a green body with the word boo on it and cobweb accents. And cobweb accents. He wears a cape with a colorful ribbon on it. He shakes and sings Haunted House, a Halloween parody of the hit song Rescue Me. Singing and Shaken Skeleton. And it looks like this. The Singing and Shaken Skeleton is made by Dan D. He wears a black top hat with an orange stripe, a purple shirt, and orange vest, green pants, black boots, and a black cape. He shakes and sings Rockin' Goblin, a Halloween parody of the hit song Rockin' Robin. Yep, and we already did the rest of them. Okay, guys, have a goodbye, and have a good day, and I'll see you later or tomorrow, probably later. Have a good day.